What are we doing today?
Okay, so today we are going to have some Mummy Molly time, which means there'll be Daddy Livy time. We're going to have some Mummy Livy time, which means there'll be some Daddy Molly time. We're going to go and do some baking as well with this really cool science kit we've got. So here's a sneak preview of what's coming up.
And
then bring it over here. And then...
Guys, guess what? My tooth is really wobbly. We are in the car and we are doing Molly and Mummy time.
And where are we going to go?
To the pet store, and we are here and we're just in the car putting on our
matching masks. Got these because we're supposed to go to Disneyland in March, but we've just cancelled it. Yeah, so we need some dog food, and Molly loves pets, so we thought it was a good combination of the two. Oh, look at them.
Can I buy one?
No. What's your favourite animal?
Bunny. Bunny like a little house. Look at them.
There's a little one in there.
Wait, what is that?
That's hay, so they can make this. And then there's a big one, black and white one there. And there's a couple in there. Look, one of them's having a little scratch.
Yeah,
Aww.
I think one of them are doing a little back massage to the other one. It's so sweet, look.
Yeah. So what are we doing here today then, Molly?
We are going to buy a toy for Blossom, a toy for Anna, a toy for Tiffany, and a toy for Daisy, and some treats
And Daisy's food we got here. And you've got your own little trolley, haven't you? Molly, what do you want to get for Daisy?
Can Daisy one of those chewy ones?
No, Daisy doesn't even really like chewy toys. Okay. I tell you what, Molly, why don't you get Daisy one of these little cakes or a little stick or something?
I'm going to get the stick and cake for her.
Okay, pop them in the trolley then.
So I can just fetch her.
Put them in your trolley.
Yeah.
So Molly, which one are you going to pick for Trixie?
And this little cake is very cute.
Yeah?
And I think it's a sweet one.
Look. There we are.
You'll love that. And then I got mine.
So now we've got to get the cat something.
You're going to have the treat. I'm going to have all of the toys. Look how many fishes are in there. It's like 1,000 fishes.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Little pink fishies. Yeah.
I just saw something. I might love that.
Yeah, you think she wants a mouse, Jim?
Yeah. Get
What do you
that
think?
packet.
And this whole big packet for Blossom.
The share.
To the share. I think that's okay.
How about
There you
a shaving with for all of the animals? I'm going to put in my one.
What are you getting?
I'm getting this for nothing. It's so feathery. No.
I think she'd like that.
Feathers on the top.
But then pop it in your trolley. Let's go and get some food for Emmy now.
Oh,
The guinea pigs.
Mommy, Mom, I want.
Molly, look. He came up to us.
My sister really likes guinea pigs, so I think I'm going to buy one.
When?
No, we are not having that. I'm just kidding, guys. And we're going to delete.
But this one wants to be our friend, look.
Oh, hi. I just want a little bit.
Cross the road, balls. Okay, guys, so we're back. Molly, do you want to show Olivia and Trixie what we got in the shop?
This for Trixie. Look, what do you have? First, I have to cut off this hat so she can bite it. Oh, this is, I like it. Look at little hair. Olivia, look at the little hair. Oh, yeah, funny that.
Okay, what else did we get?
These two for Daisy.
Yeah, squeakies.
I buy.
What do you think? Do you like it?
She's already doing it. No, Sam! Sam, you come in now! Oh, no, Sam! These. They can't try to get
Trixie Bella.
Yeah, Blossom anyway.
You don't like toys, though, do you? So we got these for the cats to share, including a mouse, because Blossom wanted a rat, didn't she? and some little cat treats as well.
Oh,
And I spoke to the man who worked in the shop and I said that Emmett's lost lots of weight and that we want him to put on weight again. He suggested getting Emmett some kitten food because kitten food's got lots of protein in to build up all their muscles. So I bought Emmett some kitten meat and some kitten biscuits to add to his, just to try and get him a bit bigger. And then I accidentally went into the range and bought some lovely little Eastery spring stuff. Whoops-a-daisy. Oh yeah, and Molly wanted a little treat for you and her to share.
I couldn't leave on stage in front of the camera, but I bought a flower for my boyfriend, William, and...
You can't tell him, he might be watching. Secret. We bought a secret for William for Valentine's Day, didn't we? And because I love you two so much, I bought you a flower each as well, because I love you so much.
William, if you're watching this, I bought something for you and a little sweetie for you.
Molly.
Oh, you try that.
Oh, look at it.
she likes that. So I've just opened these, which are some freeze-dry fish treats, and these two have gone a little bit mad.
Blossom.
Do you want to give us Blossom a treat?
Blossom. Can I
Yeah, but put it in his bowl, because I don't trust these two dogs.
Two?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah, and I'll give Emmett two.
What do they smell like, Molly?
Dead fish. Fish.
Oh, the best.
Emmett does not like
Oh. Yeah, Blossom doesn't like them either. Oh. Okay, so Blossom doesn't want them. Emmett doesn't want them. I guess that means somebody needs to have them. Give the dogs one, see if their dogs like it.
Are they meant to be for cats?
They are, but it's alright. Make them sit.
Sit. Yep. Sit.
Look at Trixie's face.
Should we just put in that fish?
Oh well, so these are new dog treats. Trixie, do you like your toy? Do you like the toy that Molly got for you? Trixie, do you like the toy that Molly got for you? Who's a good girl? So Olivia, explain to these guys, what are you doing for your mummy Livy time?
We're going down my favourite path to see the horses and try to make sheep friends.
Yeah, so we've decided that because we tried making friends with the sheep and they didn't like us, perhaps it was because we had the dogs with us, so we are dog free and walking. So these are two little horses
Yeah, I think that might be
that Olivia likes to look at.
calf.
Yeah, there's a big horsey and a little one.
Yeah, I think that might be the calf.
Liv, what's your favourite animal?
Horses and cheetahs. And sharks are my brand new favourite.
Why are sharks your brand new favourite?
Because they're cool. Especially with a brown shark.
You were watching a documentary this morning with Daddy, weren't you?
Yeah, they're cool.
Oh,
It's
gross.
a favourite cat.
Oh, gross. Right, hang on. You're going to get stuck. Stay there.
Wow. Steady. Oh, it's hard. Ah, not steady. Is this one steady?
No, that's not steady.
We found some sheep.
No, he's not interested.
They're just trying to be friends.
Oh, look. This one's got a baddie leg. Ooh, is he coming to you? Oh my goodness. No, so we're about 3 meters away from them.
We're not predators, okay? We do not eat sheep.
We got quite close, didn't we? We got 3 meters away.
I got really close.
They're interested in you. Don't go any closer. There we are. Good. Oh, looks at you.
Why will we not touch the one that's lying down?
Well, in case she's poorly, And we don't want to scare her. Or she might be pregnant. And if she's got a baby in her tummy, she might get scared if we had to approach her. So a little while ago I told Olivia about the wild horses of Bridgend and how they don't belong to anyone. And now she's obsessed with trying to find one in this woods that we've kind of found. And you kid, what are you trying to find?
Yeah, I'm trying to find a baby horse and a girl baby horse with a baby brother.
So it's like Olivia's dream come true. Okay, so we've made these Spectacular Science Squashable Jelly Bubbles cupcakes. So the girls are just putting the buttercream icing on there. And then we're going to try and make some of these little jelly buttons.
I just really want
little jelly bubbles.
Nice right now.
No. Molly, no. Okay, so the science behind this process is these are the jelly solutions and they contain sodium alginate. When we drop these into this calcium solution, there's a chemical reaction that happens and it's called spherification, which means, I think, making spheres. Now, Olivia, you've been doing 3D shapes. What is a 2D version of a sphere?
A 2D circle?
Yes, clever clogs. I'm going to tell you a fact. What do you think the sodium alginate in this comes from? Seaweed. Seaweed cakes. Right, come on then.
Well, you've got to squeeze there and hold it in.
Right, now let go. And then bring it over here. Right, oh. Let's just squirt there we go. Right, so we got the air out and then bring it over here. And then so is it mixing or is it doing something different?
It's not mixing. It's once you drop it in, it's like staying in that position. Can you do it for me? But now it's going to form into a circle.
Okay, Molly, I'm going to need to see then if you want me to do it for you.
Can I do it?
I'll have one go and then you have a go.
How do you make this?
So it's having a chemical reaction. So if you watch them,
Yeah.
they kind of freeze into little jelly bubbles, don't they?
Yeah, and then they just kind of form into a little circle.
Yeah, now ours aren't. Molly, I can't see when you do that. Ours are more blobs than circles, really.
Yeah. No, doesn't
Do
matter.
some more orange then.
All that matters is the taste.
Yeah.
Yeah, all that matters is having fun with our family. Taste matters.
Right, so we're just going to pour out the solution to see what spheres we've got. Frog spawn, isn't it? There we go. So we've got to put these in the fridge for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then we can put them on the cakes. Okay guys, so what do you think? These are our little cakes. So girls, what do you think of this then?
Good. I'm going to have this one and this one.
Hang on, you've got to say goodbye first.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Thanks for watching Olivia and Molly's World. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn the notifications, which is the little bell. Peace out!
Try a cake now.
I'm going to have this one and this one to eat. Oh. It's nice. Okay.
They're not very nice, are they? They're okay, are they?
No, I'm not sure.
Okay.
I don't like them.
Okay.